Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming eligibility and opening the app. This saves time. Make sure your Lightning Lane multi-pass is purchased, linked to the correct ticket, and visible in the app. Once done, set your park and arrival window and arrange family links so you can book together. You need notifications and location on. This lets you grab offers the moment they appear. Start with top priority rides listed in your plan so you can secure scarce return times quickly. Now you execute a booking rhythm and watch the clock. You should immediately reserve the highest demand Lightning Lane times, then layer secondary choices. This prevents clashes. Use the map filter to visualize nearby options and refresh selectively, every 30 to 60 seconds around expected refill times to avoid wasted taps. If a slot isn't available, make a backup plan. Try party swaps, single rider, or later refill waves. Keep an eye on return windows, so you don't. To finish, you redeem your Lightning Lane at the entry kiosk by scanning the QR within the return window. Arrive a few minutes early to avoid delays. If plans change, modify or cancel in the app so the slot opens for others and you can rebook. If something goes wrong, like missing passes, incorrect times, or app errors, first force close and relaunch the app, toggle location services, and sign out/in. If that fails, head to guest services with your ticket for a.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.